Spicy. Spicy. Oh my god, spicy. But it's just after. This is new Korean ramen. I saw this on the YouTube and I really wanted to try, and now my dream is realizing. It's quite delicious. I added mushroom and cheese and egg. So this is going to be so good. You know what? The noodles are so delicious. Like fresh noodles, so good. Really good noodles. Wow. Now I'm gonna try with the cheese. Good. Gonna break the egg. The noodles are so good. And with the cheese is so delicious. I'm even crying. Wow, this is so delicious. Wait. Wow, this is so delicious. This new ramen just makes me cry. Approved!